Have you ever had that moment, the one where you whisper to yourself, I don't think I can do this anymore? Where holding it all together has become its own kind of heartbreak, where the life you've built no longer feels like the life you were meant to live? Yeah, I know that moment. I have lived it too. Divorce, gaslighting, dysfunctional family patterns, addiction, codependency, the quiet ache of becoming smaller so everyone else can be comfortable. For years, I was the peacekeeper, the caretaker, the one who made sure everyone else was okay, even when I wasn't. But here's what I've learned. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is blow up the life that's breaking you so you can build one that sets you free. Hi, I'm Sara Stansberry, writer, coach, mother, midlife beginner, and this is How to Blow Up Your Life, a podcast about the courage it takes to finally choose yourself. This season, we're going deeper. We're going to explore the stories we inherit, the wounds we carry, and the identities we rebuild when we stop abandoning ourselves. You'll learn how to break free from people-pleasing and self-doubt, heal the relationship with your body, transform old family patterns, navigate ambivalence, and reclaim the parts of you that got lost along the way. There's no sugarcoating here, no performative positivity, just honest, grounded conversations about what it really takes to live a life that feels like your own. If you're ready for a new beginning and you're tired of fine, if you're craving truth, healing, and a life that finally fits, you're in the right place. Your comeback story starts now. Welcome to How to Blow Up Your Life. Subscribe wherever you get your podcasts and join me on Substack at sarastansberry.substack.com for weekly essays and deeper reflections.